Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're so well and I hope that life is treating you okay. I recently mentioned that I'm currently embarking on a sustainability, slightly more ethical journey with just life in general, but more specifically my purchasing choices. I'm trying to cut down on the amount I am buying, especially when it comes to fashion and clothes. However, I did also say that I wanted to showcase a few sustainable brands that I have recently been really liking and that have kind of been on my radar. I said I would do like a dedicated haul for these brands, and that's what I'm here to do today. So the first brand I am going to talk about is MINGA London. I really love the vibe of MINGA. It kind of reminds me of like Lazy Oaf. I love Lazy Oaf and I've loved Lazy Oaf for so many years. I used to go to their Covent Garden store all the time. I used to collect their badges. Like, I'm an OG Lazy Oaf lover. Oh my god, those were the good times. So yeah, when I saw MINGA and I saw the similar sort of, I don't know, energy that it gives off, I was like, I definitely want to try this. So I've got quite a big haul. I've already tried all this stuff on so I can give you an honest kind of chat about each piece, and I will have linked everything down below if you want to check any of them out. So without further ado, let's get on with the haul. All right, so the first thing I fell in love with as soon as I saw it on the website, and it is denim. It is a pair of jeans, and these are high-waisted, and they're a lovely kind of classic denim. Like, this is a classic mid-toned denim. If I was to think of denim, I think this is the color I would think of. And it just gets better and better, or they get better and better. The more you look, the better they get. So on the knees, they say lazy days, which is just adorable because if I'm feeling, to be honest, I don't just wear jeans on lazy days, I wear jeans most days, but especially on a lazy day, jeans are a go-to, of course, if you're leaving the house. I mean, if you're not leaving the house, who's wearing jeans? Let's be completely honest with ourselves. Then on the back, gets even better. It's got a really cute little daisy on the pocket, and then I love this like retro label on the other pocket. And then all of their clothes have the MINGA kind of branding quite obviously on them, but I don't mind that. I love a bit of branding. It also has it on the front here, and they are raw hemmed, wide-legged jeans. Now, I absolutely love these jeans. I love them so much. However, they aren't the most flattering on me. They are a little bit, they make my bum look very flat, and they've got a bit of gaping at the waist. If I went down a size, I don't know, maybe they're just a bit big. I'm not sure, but I love them and I really want to wear them. Let me know what you think from the cutaways. Let me know. On to item number 2. This next item, you guys know I'm a sucker for a sweatshirt. It is this, I don't know, what is that? Beige? Is that like a true beige? Beige, probably. Van Gogh. Sunflowers on. These sunflowers. And it says, "Leave me alone" on it, which is a mood that I often feel. It's oversized, it's baggy. I'm not 100% sold on this color. I think it washes me out a little bit. At least if I wasn't wearing fake tan, I think it would be horrendously unflattering. But maybe with a fake tan or a real tan, if that ever happens. It's really soft, lovely quality, and it's got like proper nice, you know, new sweatshirt, soft, fluffy inner lining, which we love. But yeah, I do like this, but do I need another sweatshirt? But if you need a sweatshirt, I think this is a very cute one to go for. One of my favorite songs of the year was definitely Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. I saw this top and I was like, oh, well, it would be rude not to, right? It says, "Tastes like strawberries on a summer's evening," which is obviously the first line from that song. It's like a baby tee, like a super, like, it's almost like you've shrunk your t-shirt down in the wash. Like, it's a vibe, like it's a style that people wear. It's not something I it's not something that I typically go for. I'm much more of an oversized, baggy, loose fit t-shirt kind of person. I always have been, still am. I thought this was cute and I loved the design of it. Obviously I love this song. I love this t-shirt. Again, like the little MINGA labeling. And this feels really nice quality. A little baby tee. Oh my God, this next piece is probably one of my favorites in the whole haul. And when I saw the t-shirt, I was like, well, it would be so rude of me not to get this. This is the cutest little gingham mini skirt with strawberries on it. Once again, it has the MINGA logo and it's got a little slit. This is so soft and comfortable and light. Like if I was hot, I would definitely wear this. I think it would look so, oh my God, with this top. Let me show you. I mean, that's a vibe as well. Cracking. It's just proper cutesy. I absolutely love this. This is definitely a keeper and a definite winner for me. Oh, this is another one that I love. You might have picked up that I'm really enjoying wearing cardigans at the moment. I've got that cream one from And Other Stories that I've been living in, especially in this crazy weather when you just don't know what you're gonna get. Cardigans are great to just like chuck on over any outfit instead of taking a jacket. So when I saw this one, I'm sure you can imagine I was very excited by it. It is this lovely kind of cable knit cardigan in this beautiful navy blue, and it's got little orange flowers on and they are embroidered. There's a little up close of the detail there. Let's try it with this. It's just adorable and I'm all here for a cardigan. I love a cardigan. So yeah, I love. Oh, the next thing I have already worn out. I wore it to my dad's the other day and it is this massive high neck jumper. You may remember I had a high necked blue jumper, very similar color to this, from Lazy Oaf actually, and it had the rainbow on it and it was a jumper dress and I was completely in love with it and I wore it so much, but unfortunately it got to the point where it was too oversized. Like I couldn't quite get away with it anymore and I had to sell it. And that broke my heart because I loved that color. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, okay, that's a bit of me. I love that it's got the blue, the rainbow. It's just kind of like a different interpretation of the same thing. Like it's blue with a rainbow, but it's just rainbow text. And it says Sundays forever. And I love Sunday. I obviously edit the weekly vlog on a Sunday, but they're my favorite videos to post as well. So yeah, at the end of a Sunday, I always feel super accomplished. And then I read through your comments and I just love Sundays. I saw this and I was like, this could be my editing jumper that I can wear every Sunday. It's quite barrel shaped. Is that the word? Kind of like the equivalent of like a barrel legged jean. You know, it kind of goes like that a little bit. It's like that. So not the most kind of figure flattering shape, I guess you could say, but it's a baggy jumper or a sweatshirt. Like you're not going to be looking snatched in that, but that's cool. You don't have to. It's comfortable, it's adorable, and I'm going to wear it all the time. Oh, I love this next one. This was actually the first thing I put in my basket. Another little mini tee, but this one's a little bit less tight. And it says strange but true on it. And it is a ribbed black with this kind of scalloped edge or a lettuce hem. Is it called a lettuce hem? Have I just made that up? No, I think I'm right. I think it's a lettuce hem. Anyway, little crop top, lettuce at the bottom. I'm gonna keep saying lettuce until someone tells me I'm wrong. Lettuce hem at the bottom as well. I love the contrast of the orange and the black, and I just love the flowers. I love that it's embroidered rather than like just a print. Like it's all really great quality. Strange but true. Like I just really like that phrase. Pleased with that one. That one's also gonna definitely stay. Now, if you have been with me, if you've been a subscriber of EmmasRectangle for a long time, you'll know I went through a serious rainbow phase, like a serious rainbow phase. Everything was rainbow. I used to wear rainbow jumpers all the time, and yeah, I owned so many rainbow jumpers. None of my rainbow jumpers really fit me anymore, so I don't have them anymore. And I was like, maybe it's time for a new wave of rainbow knitwear in my life, but maybe we'll go with something a little bit more revamped, a little bit different. I saw this and I thought, yeah, this is it. This turtleneck, again with the blue, which I love this shade of blue, kind of slightly more muted. It's got like this dark forest green, it's got some grey, it's got some like a nude kind of beigey colour, but it's also got primary colours in it, but it's kind of broken up a little bit with some slightly more neutral shades, which I like, makes it a little bit less in your face. And it says weirdo on the front, which I just appreciate. I just think it's a really cool jumper. It's cropped and I love a turtleneck, and obviously it's crazy hot at the moment in the UK, so I'm not going to be wearing this anytime soon, but we are tiptoeing into the autumn winter season, unfortunately, so I need to start thinking about my autumn winter wardrobe. This is a fun new addition. The rainbow jumper era has returned. 2 items left, which are 2 of my favourites actually, and 2 that I think I'm going to get quite a lot of wear out of. The first one is a turtleneck. Spoiler alert, they both are. This is my 70s turtleneck of dreams. It's cream, dark brown with like a warmer, lighter brown. Again, it's got this MINGA branding here, but it's a really like retro 70s stripe. Like, I love it so much. It's nice and fitted to the body, and this will go with so much in my wardrobe. I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna be living in this all of the autumn winter. I'm gonna wear it under t-shirts, I'm gonna wear it tucked into skirts with some like tights and boots. Like, the looks, it's just gonna be too much. You're not even gonna know what to do with yourselves. And then finally, this is so cool and different. I'd never seen anything like this before, which is why I had to have it. It is this incredible crop top with the Birth of Venus on it, which is the painting, which I have actually seen in real life. And I don't know if this sounds stupid, but I didn't know that it was that big. Like, I don't know, I thought we were talking like Mona Lisa, like a bit underwhelming when you see it because it's really small. I'm not saying the Mona Lisa is underwhelming, but I mean like scale wise, I don't know. This was upscaled apparently, like it was so much bigger than I thought it was going to be, and I was not disappointed. It's velvet and it's really form-fitting, and it's just something a little bit different. I've just never seen a top like this. Like, you could just wear this with like a pair of shorts, jeans, and it's such a statement item. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and I highly recommend. The quality is great, it's really soft, and I think it's going to definitely keep you warm. So those are all of the bits that I picked up from MINGA. Definitely let me know which items are your favorite out of that haul and what you think I should keep. Everything is linked down below as always, so if you'd like to pick any of them up for yourselves and you want to try a slightly more sustainable brand, then definitely do that. There are a few more brands on my list to try and feature, so there will be more of these coming, but do also leave down below any other brands that you would like me to try, like, you know, sustainably sourced, maybe local, whatever. I think that would be really fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I hope you have the best day as always, and I will see you tomorrow for a What to Wear Wednesday. 2 fashion videos in a row, baby. Wow. See you then. Bye.